It arrived in style on a rainy late afternoon in East Windsor. Station 46's chief and deputy chief providing an escort as it approached its new home at fire headquarters on Twin Rivers Drive, with members cheering and little tykes wondering what all the fuss was about. The name is simply Engine 46, but it's so much more than that. In fire department parlance, it's a pumper. Its job is to pump water to where it's needed. An oversimplification, of course, but it gets the job done, and then some. The technology on board has come a long, long way, and would make the old bucket brigade look like, well, a bucket brigade. It was almost 4 years in the making, as it's not something that you just pick off the lot at the local fire engine dealership.
She's in! Woo! All right, guys. She's home.
Station 46 Chief Mario Batista stopped beaming with pride just long enough to tell us a little bit about the new vehicle. A vehicle that members had a chance to view a week earlier during a sneak preview. Now it's home for good.
Chiefs before me, and since I became a chief, we have been working on this project since 2017 under my leadership. We had several vendors, and then it narrowed down. We awarded to Spartan Motors. Campbell Supplies was the dealer, and 336 days later, here it is. We built this truck for the future, so the way it's spec, how big the cabinets are, that's for the expansion, the involvement in the fire services. It's 1,500 gallons tank, the pump is 1,750. He's going to be a workhorse, and he'll be here for many years to come. Very pleased. I'll thank the mayor and the council. I thank my committee, and I hope my members of Station 46 will enjoy this truck for many years to come.
Congratulations. It's Christmas in September.
It is. Thanks.
Welcome, Engine 46. And we hope it, like most emergency vehicles, is not used all that often. But we're certain it will serve the community well, helping to keep it safe. I'm Dick Cunningham.